Ready, besties? Let's go shop. Besties, we're off. Let's go. Defender, Range Rover, Vogue, anything will work. It's like to my taste, this thing. It's like besties. I'm shopping Christmas gifts for me and my sister. Okay. पता है क्या प्रॉब्लम है ना, जब भी मैं कुछ शॉप करती हूँ. Hi besties, before starting this video, I would like to talk about my makeup routine.
Hi besties, so I just woke up and I'm having some coffee to give myself some energy to start the day. You know what I mean, right? Okay, so we just got done with our shower and I've decided to wear something chill today, but of course I have plans, so let's get ready. In like 15 minutes because I'm running late as usual. So I've cleansed my face, now I'm going to dab some toner followed by my favorite serum. Okay besties, I really need your attention for this one. This is literally my new favorite serum and it is by Plix. It is their 24K gold flakes in this serum. Guava Gold Dewy Serum, which is literally the hero product of my skincare. Firstly, I will tell you guys why I love this product so much, because it is a 2-in-1 product. It works as a serum plus primer, plus it comes with my favorite ingredients, that is hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which helps in skin cell regeneration and gives you instant glow. This makes your skin firm and hydrates it, while Pentavitamin keeps your skin plump and moisturizes it up to 72 hours. Just take 3 to 4 drops and massage on your face gently. Plus, on a daily basis, I mix this with my foundation for that extra glow and care for my skin. Enough reasons to love it, I know, right? Okay besties, so you guys should definitely check out this product, and while checking out, you guys can use my code VRIDDHI30 to get an additional 30% off your product. You guys can use the view product and shop directly.
I look at something which is very cute and I think, oh my god, I should buy it for myself. मैं अभी Naked Wolf पे हूँ, ठीक है. Honestly, मुझे Naked Wolf खुद बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं shoes. So I was like, मैं अगर खुद ही खरीद ले रही हूँ तो मेरी बहन के लिए भी गिफ्ट ले लेती हूँ, है ना. But Naked Wolf के shoes are too expensive and my bill is like almost. तो इसका कस्टम मुझे 40% देना पड़ेगा, which will be quite a lot. But the shoes will come here in like 3 days. So I'm thinking about, look at these pink ones from Naked Wolf. They're so cute. मेरे को पता है एकदम Sabrina Carpenter feel होगा. I literally just feel like Sabrina Carpenter. And these, they're like so expensive. I'm having Sehaj also bring so much stuff of mine from Canada, so I cannot ask more from him and like tell him, oh my god, bring my shoes also. I think it will be too much. I think we just need to eyeball it. मैं तो क्यों सोच रही हूँ, ठीक है? Yeah, you should save money. I know that, but shopping is also very important. I'll just add my card details. मेरे popcorn in it, my black card which has pre-VR popcorn in it because मैं movies बहुत देखने जाती हूँ, तो I was like, उसमें भी कुछ voucher तो लेना ही चाहिए ना मुझे. You know, the problem is not ordering them. It's just the customs will be too expensive. We are doing it. I did it. Okay. Jai Mata Di. Order is placed. I hope ज़्यादा customs नहीं हो, but I know बहुत customs होगा. मुझे math करने नहीं आ रहा. इसका 40% कितना होगा, but उतने का customs लगने वाला है. And the major gift that I have got, I will show you guys. It is coming. I have ordered it for my dad. Happy New Year. Here we are now. What do you want? I ordered the iPhone 15 for my dad. It has come. But yeah, he already opened it and everything. I ordered the iPhone 15 Pro Max for my mom. I'm sorry, I'm too lazy to give y'all a haul. I'll post on my Snapchat, go feel it. I am, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with wearing diamonds, okay? These are fake, these ones. So I plan to get myself a real diamond, okay? I need to be my own David Beckham. I need to get myself an engagement ring for myself, okay? So I'll just buy myself a ring. Because जितने का मैंने अभी ये shoes खरीदे, उतने में मैं एक normal gold ring उठा सकती थी. But it doesn't matter, okay? My shoes are like gold to me. Because I'm like, why should I wear fake? I wear everything that's like real and bougie. The diamonds should also be real. This is the outfit of the day. I have a Canon G7X, but I'm sorry, I'm always going to be an iPhone girly. Besties, we are going to buy myself a diamond ring. Diamond ring. You gotta be your own David Beckham. Buy yourself a ring every year. Okay. I've decided कि मैं कोई भी और चीज़ में पैसे नहीं बचा पाऊंगी, तो मैंने सोचा मैं डायमंड ले लेती हूँ, थोड़ा सा कुछ तो मेरा हो जाएगा. because see, I will wear it, okay? I cannot keep money in these mutual funds and all because मेरा दिमाग सड़ता है कि मेरे पैसे हैं, मुझे उनको निकालो. I need to shop. मुझे गाड़ी लेनी है तो मैंने बोला चल डायमंड लेने दो एटलीस्ट कुछ तो इन्वेस्टमेंट. अपेरेंटली इन्वेस्टमेंट कैसे हुआ क्योंकि वो भी एक तरह के कपड़े टाइप ही हो गया बिकॉज मैं उसको पहनूंगी एंड लाइक इट्स लाइक शॉपिंग ओनली.
But you can always sell it again.
But why would you want to sell it?
अरे for
So guys, हम जा रहे हैं अभी तनिष्क हमारे लिए एक रिंग सिक्योर करने. चीज रियल है, सब चीजें इतनी फैंसी ब्रांड्स पहनती हूँ तो रिंग क्यों फेक पहनूं. तनिष्क अमिताभ बच्चन प्रमोट करता है. रिंग लेने आए हैं. रिंग 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 बड़ा है इनका और एक वैले नहीं है इनके पास. मतलब सो डिसअपॉइंटिंग. देख डायरेक्शंस दे रहा है, इतना नैरो लेन है. मतलब ओह माय गॉड. दिल पे पत्थर रख के मैंने कपड़ों के बजाय कुछ ले लिया. आई वॉन्ट अ डायमंड ग्रीन कलर रिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ.
so beautiful, and I am so proud of you that you finally bought something smart and not stupid.
Besties, my package from Naked Wolf is finally here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I had to pay custom charges on my literally 2 shoes, so the bill ended up getting way too much. And हाँ जी, our shoes are here, my love. It is here. I thought it was coming on 26th and I was so depressed about it, but yeah. Best Sister Award goes to me. My Christmas gift is here. This is a Christmas gift for myself and my sister. Yeah, this is going to be hidden till 25th. It's already 22nd and yeah, I'm so excited for Christmas. The thing with me is whenever I'm like shopping something and I'll think like, you know, something is cute, I'll buy one thing for that person, for example for my sister, and I'll buy one thing for myself also because I'm like, I'm also going to be cute. If you're going to be cute, I'm also going to be cute. So we've got 2 pairs of Naked Wolf shoes. Slay. I literally feel like Sabrina Carpenter. First we've got are these pink ones. I think these are the pink ones. The packaging is so nice. I'm literally ruining it. I'm sorry about that. They come with this lace also. And yeah, let's unbox this. God, I love this. I'm gonna keep this one and I'm gonna give my sister the other one because like pink is just like my personality. Like this is so me. This screams me. And like yeah, the pink laces and they have given the white laces too. And like their bags are so cute. Perfect. I love this one. I'm obsessed with this. Next we have got is this big bad boy. I've seen Nessa Barrett wear this. Basically all the cool people wear it. Packaging is like so nice. Everything is so clean and I'm just gonna ruin it with my dirty makeup hands. I'm just like, yeah. I'm gonna give my sister this one because like, I think this is better, but yeah, I honestly want to keep both of them, but like, no, I'm not gonna be that selfish. I'm gonna give her a gift to her only. And yeah, look at this. They are literally perfect. And yeah, I am literally in love. Like, look at how perfect they are. Like, guys, पता है कितना ऐसा होता है कि first I have to film a video, like unboxing video for my IG, for my Snap babies. And then I have to film again. Why do I keep them so badly? Please, अच्छे से. Abhi they are new. I'm gonna keep them very nicely. And on this was one of my Christmas gifts for myself and my sister. Okay, now I'm gonna go shop more things for my sister. I'm currently going to Dior and Diesel. The only thing I wanted for Christmas was actually moon boot, but it got sold out. Sucks, but yeah, bye. See you. We are ready, besties. Let's go shopping. More Christmas shopping. This is our outfit. Top is White Fox. Pants are Anaya's. These. Bag is Diesel. And yeah, we're just gonna add some lovey-dov. What is this? What is this pronounced? Viva la Juicy. This is my favorite perfume. Let's go now. Let's go, boss. Let's shop them things for ourselves. Yay, slay babies. Let's go. I love you. I'm so happy about the shoes. You guys don't know how much happiness, like why did you basically pay for like 2 shoes? And I'm like, it's an investment for my happiness, which is very important. Okay, no man is there to give me happiness. No one is there to give me happiness. I might as well give myself happiness, okay? And my dog, because like he's my bestie. I go to Anaya's house because we are taking her car because yeah I was like मेरी ना कार बहुत पेट्रोल खाती है तो दूर जाने में तो मैं अनार की कार से जा रही हूँ.
This is what I want for Christmas, but the only thing I can think of is a Birkin bag, Porsche 911 in olive.
Porsche Birkin bag. Girl get me a Vicky भैया. Diamond ring. क्या और क्या चाहिए अनाया?
Porsche 911 olive green में 1967 की.
नहीं मुझे 1967 नहीं चाहिए, मुझे रेंज रोवर वोग चाहिए लेटेस्ट मॉडल. जहाँ मुझे डिफेंडर भी चलेगी, डिफेंडर रेंज रोवर वोग एनीथिंग विल वर्क.
भी चलेगी मुझे.
रोल्स रॉयस के लिए कोई बहुत ही हॉट शॉट पर्सन मुझे लगेगा हम लोग को, जो हम लोग को इतना प्यार करेगा कि रोल्स रॉयस दे. यार अना देख मैं कितना तो फिर भी थोड़ा लॉजिकल ड्रीमिंग कर रही हूँ. रेंज रोवर मना रोल्स रॉयस. बट या मैं तो क्रिसमस मेरी ऐसी कोई लिस्ट है नहीं, बिकॉज लाइक जो चीज़ें मुझे चाहिए होती है आई एम समवन लाइक आई वांट टू बाय एवरीथिंग ऑन माय ओन. सो आई एम लाइक आई बाय एवरीथिंग ऑन माय ओन, बट द वन थिंग आई वांटेड वाज मून बूट, वो भी सोल्ड आउट हो गया.
अरे हाँ डूड.
गाइस आप भी देख लो आइकॉनिक सीलिंग. ये है लिटरली, इतना पोल्यूशन है कि सिटी दिख भी नहीं रही है, बट दिस इज इट. वी आर गोइंग.
Here only you can go to.
We are here. I don't want to enter the diesel store until I'm sure I'm going to buy it, because you know जब भी मैं वहाँ पे जाती हूँ मुझे एकदम मन करता है कुछ वहाँ से खरीदने का, फिर मैं वो स्टोर में जाऊँगी and I'll just end up buying it. So that's why I don't want to enter unless I'm sure I'm buying it. That's the thing. Guys, they have opened Chanel here and I am like obsessed. There's Chanel. हम Dior गए, Dior में कुछ था नहीं. जो मेरे 2 ब्लशेस अच्छा मैंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया से मंगा लिए थे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक ब्लश नहीं है रोजी ग्लो एंड ना कोई डियोर बैकस्टेज पैलेट है. सो द डियोर वाज वेरी यूजलेस. दे ओनली हैड मस्कारा जो मेरे पास ऑलरेडी है, मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
अंदर उसके
एंड आई लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल मैडम. बट हाँ अभी हम जा रहे हैं अनाया को दी का सामान एक्सचेंज कराना है और खुद के लिए कपड़े खरीदने हैं. सेल्फिश. माई ट्रॉमा विद स्टेयर्स. अनाया नोज एवरी टाइम आई फॉल. डोंट वरी आई एम वेयरिंग फ्लैट्स टुडे, आई वोंट फॉल. So cute everything is, but it's like fucking crowded, as if this entire mall is giving free samples or something. सब walk कर रहे हैं. It's a little like garden where everyone is just walking. अभी इतना guys मेरा इतना major money buy कर रहे हैं हम लोग gift, and we are confused. Diesel जाए कि collective जाए और Versace का bag उठाएं. Come on Anna, pick a finger. कोच ही नहीं जाना. Coaches to Auntie. The bags are cute, but I don't want to go to Coach. Chanel ones. We can go. Like it.
Yeah, I like it so much.
But I don't know. I don't like it. There's no pattern in it. I
Yeah,
don't like it.
this
It's not my
pattern
vibe.
print-
Very sexy. Makeup for my sister, guys, from Chanel. There's my Anaya sitting, giving me company as always. Her mad shopaholic bestie shopping. We have secured something from Chanel besties, and yeah, I've told them to give me a big box. The luxury retail people here, mostly in India, are very rude, and like you're so nice. The people here are nice, guys. Come here. Secured Chanel besties, our first ever Chanel. I was like, oh my god, did we rob something? What happened? Now we're going to Collective. We're confused to buy the 1 Dior bag or something from Versace. See, we have so many bags from Versace, but the thing is, even Anaya feels this is like to my taste, this pink, this purple, and she's like, it's like I'll be shopping the gift for myself and not for her. Anaya to finally shop and just not roam and do steps. She's buying something from Dune, a bag. It's cute, huh? This one, the one you're holding. God was like, you are with your shopaholic bestie for once. Be like her and just shop something. And oh my god, my camera focusing. But don't. The staff is so rude of this Charles and Keith. Nah, I hate them. Bloody. I like fucking staff. I'm like, bitch, don't be rude with me. If you are, see, I'm a very nice person. So when you're rude to me, trust me, I'll be a bigger bitch to you. And I'll always be like, कि कौन सी जगह ये रूल लिखा है जो तुम मुझे बोल. नहीं ले सकते. मैं यहाँ के पैसे डाल रही हूँ और मैं मेरी फोटो नहीं लूँगी. मैं अगर 20,000 का बैग खरीद रही हूँ, you bet your ass I'm gonna take a fucking picture. Now we're going diesel. Slay. Oh fuck. I'm about to fall and I final destination हो जाता, I would have died right here in front of your eyes. कैसा feel होता? Do you cry if I die in front of you?
Yeah, of course. What do you think I'm going to do there if you die?
They don't have the bag. I want besties. It's so cute, but I'm like dying of suffocation. We have secured another gift for my sister. Chanel diesel bag. Kitty, amazing woman. Then besties, we are off. Let's go. Got everything from Diesel, Chanel, and yeah, Nana's at H&M. She's just looking. I'm convincing her to shop something. It's so pretty. Palladium is looking. ये ऊपर का part सिर्फ देखो. नीचे it's like crowded. Now we are having dinner. It's dinner time. Our dinner has been served. These are the actual people that need to be protected and sat properly. Yeah, now we are eating. Today, जो diesel के store में one of these people work, okay? And there's this boy, okay, who floods. And he comes, okay, he's like, you come here all the time. I'm like, yeah. And then he's like, you should get a 1DR bag. And I'm like, I already have a 1DR bag. And then the other girl is like, yeah, I know you have the purple one also. And I'm like, yeah, so you do not know me. And you're just like pretending that you know me and remember me.
I'm taking your aesthetic picture.
Yeah. Take my G7X also in the frame. There's Anaya. Uska aesthetic work pe chalu hai. And I am stuck at aesthetics always.
He is so cute. I'm in love.
Kali, they know how much of a shopaholic I am. And she's just like behind me. She's telling Anaya for her to convince me to buy that bag. And I'm like, I don't have the budget today to buy that bag. I spent a lot of money today and I'm not buying that today. मैं कितने डीजल के बैग ले लूँ मैं? नहीं, एक बंदा कितने डीजल के बैग ले लेगा? तू ये बता, है ना?
Make a walk-in closet.
No, of diesel no. I will. You go and buy only diesel and no other brand, okay? Done, besties. We are going home. I am so excited. Excited मैंने बोला. Now diesel. ये रहा diesel अंदर. Slay. So I got that. So I saw this beautiful red super at Starbucks, and I got that as a gift. I got myself blueberry oats, gift wrap, and yeah. So I think the Christmas shopping is done. Slay. My sister is getting gifts for my mother, and yeah, I've shopped for the rest of the family. Bye. Upstairs, here are all my gifts. They are all packed nice.